So for user story 221, we create a preliminary design for GUI in Java. What we're doing right now is we make a clickable button in the toolbar and the menu. So when user clicks this button, it should open a file browser. And when user select a file, we should be able to read the contents inside that file. So here is a project, and we right click and create a NBM file already created. So inside the MPLAB, we go to tool, plugin, and then downloads. So we add this plugin and install. Next, accept, continue. So now you can see this new button here in the toolbar and also in the menu. They function as the same. So when I click this, I can choose a file. So here in the document, and this is a file I'm going to use, and this file looks like this, and this is the file it's going to read. And here, so I'm going to choose this file and open, and then it will read the information from that file. Yep, that's what we're doing so far.
Hello, so my name is Jorge Oviedo for Header Bridge application, and we're just going to be describing all the porting that we did from our Python application to our Java application to ensure that we can create a plugin for MPLABX. So first of all, we have our main file right now that we're using for testing, making sure that everything works. So we have a netlist parser, which takes in a netlist, stores it in the object variables. We have a header writer, which takes in the netlist object and outputs a header file. This also reads from a database of CSV files in order to determine which microcontroller is being used. So when we go into the main application, and we go ahead and run it, we are going to run it on netlist port 3, and then we're just telling it that the chip identifier is U1, which would be a configuration that the user would set. And then we're also telling it that we're using this microcontroller. So if we go ahead and hit play, we go ahead and see that we get this file, which is the ifdefine header file. It prints out the signals that are on which port, and as you can see, is exactly the same as the file that we created on the last Python application. So basically, we have completely ported most of our functionality, or the main functionality of a program, from Python to Java, and now it can be used in the plugin itself.